Good morning, students. I hope you all did your best in giving your online periodic test 1 examinations. So today we are going to see the answers of subjective paper of English, that is of set 1. Our first subjective question, students, that was the letter writing, which consisted of 6 marks. The question was, write a letter to the editor on the topic coronavirus that should be taken seriously, especially during the lockdown. We had to write it in about 100 to 120 words. So first of all, we will write our sender's address, that is our own address that I have written there, XYZ Colony, Daryapur Gola, Patna, and the pin code. After that, we'll leave one line. Next, we will write the date, that is May 26, 2020. After that, again we'll leave one line, and then we'll write the receiver's address, that is who is the receiver, the editor, and the Times of India or Hindustan Times, the name of newspaper you would have written of your own, and then Patna. After that, we left one line, and then subject. Subject is coronavirus should be taken seriously, especially during the lockdown. Again, after this we will leave one line, and then we'll write the salutation, that is sir or madam. After that, we will leave one line, and then we'll write the first paragraph of this letter, that is the introductory paragraph. Through your stream daily, I would like to express my concern about the pandemic that should be taken seriously, especially during the lockdown. Likewise, we'll move to the second paragraph, which will be the body of this letter. And so here you can express the main content of the letter. What is coronavirus? Why is it increasing in such a rapid manner? Like I have written here, COVID-19 has claimed more than 1 lakh sufferers in India itself. It is rapidly increasing despite the lockdown. People are becoming ignoramus, and that is the basic reason of increasing death rate. Lockdown is implemented by the authorities, that is the government of India, for our safety. And we need to stay indoors. We need to sanitize the products that are coming from outside. We need to wash our hands every time before eating, etc. This is a pandemic which has got no vaccine and no medicine. Despite the precaution, our awareness can only be the reason for our survival. After this, again, you are going to proceed with another paragraph. That will be the concluding paragraph. Here you can write, I would therefore request the authorities to enlighten the people by printing awareness of government's social distancing policy, which should be followed strictly. Otherwise, in the blink of an eye, nobody would be left from the trap of COVID-19, that is from this pandemic, this coronavirus. After that, you leave one line, and you write yours sincerely and XYZ, because no name was mentioned in the question paper, in the question itself. So you'll just write XYZ. Your another subjective question was in the literature part. How did the poet distinguish between a house and a home? And which do you think is better? This was of 4 marks. So the poet has tried to define and distinguish between a house and a home. He says that a house is made of bricks, stone, and hardwood. It also has fine paints, that was stucco, chimney, window glass, doors, corridor, roof, and tile floors. There remains no emotions or feelings or mutual understanding. And then he further said about a home, and he proceeded, like a home is another name for a loving family. Father, mother, sisters, brothers together make up a home. A home is made of loving and caring family members, and they do not have any selfish end. The second part of this question was, which one do you think is better? Of course, for me, a home is better than a house because in a house, no one resides. Whereas in a home, I can share my feelings, my emotions with my family members. In just one line, you can give your, clarification, your basic reason why do you prefer home